Working with audio files like recorded calls, interviews, or voice notes, and need to remove sensitive words or phrases? Sighthound Redactor lets you transcribe, search, redact, and export clean audio, all from your local machine. No internet required. To get started, click Add Media and upload your audio file. Once the file is imported, open the speech panel. Here, select the language of the audio to begin auto-transcription. You'll have a full transcript of the file. Each word is clickable, letting you jump to the exact moment it was spoken. Now for the redaction, you have two powerful ways to do it. Option 1. Transcript-based redaction. Use the search bar to locate any sensitive term, like a name, location, or keyword, or manually scroll through the transcript and right-click any word. You'll see two options. Redact This masks just that individual occurrence. Redact All automatically redacts every instance of that word across the entire file. This is ideal for consistently scrubbing recurring identifiers, such as company names, addresses, or specific case numbers. Option 2. Manual waveform redaction. For precise control, click the Audio tab to reveal the waveform display. This allows you to select any time segment manually, even if the content isn't transcribed perfectly or contains background noise, crosstalk, or filler words. Simply highlight the desired audio window and mark it for redaction. Once your edits are complete, head to Render and Export. Here, choose how you want to mask the audio. Click Submit, and Redactor will process your changes and generate a clean audio file, ready for sharing or archiving.
Could you summarize core beliefs? What is it that you believe about the way computers